Get Greg. He has a better camera face. There you go.
Yeah. Greg said he has a face for radio.
Yeah.
All right, my name is Eddie and I work with Digital Dreams. Today we're here installing the cube. As you can see, we already put the metal structure up and now we're just installing these die casts or cabinets. So these cabinets, what they do is they hold the LED modules. Cabinets aren't that hard to install, but these corners right here, they're a little bit challenging just because everything has to be so square. Ooh, I've been with Ben since, man, like 2016 or something like that. Yeah. In my last video, I was talking about these corners and how they were hard. Yeah, just kind of hard to line up, get the screws in.
Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and we are in Beverly Hills. And we are rebuilding the cube, same cube we built in New York. So we're rebuilding it here. This time we installed the steel frame and all the subframes and all the die casts and all the cabinets and all the modules. So we're just going through putting on the modules halfway up each side of the wall, and we're gonna start working on the custom cabinets tomorrow. That's all I got for you.
How's it going?
Great. Great build. We're going fast, we're moving along. Good times.
I'm wiring up the power cords, up the daisy chain of power cords, up these columns. And I guess these are different power cords than the ones we used originally. These are so you can make sure that you got your cabinets right. So we can go around with those before we put them all on. Before we put the module on, you can see right here. That feels flush, but you can tell this whole center is off. So, you know, these ones you just put the regular outlet in, but they're gonna cut the head off and then hardwire the cabinets on the bottom, and then these jump from one cabinet up through the next, and then they land on these screw terminals so they get fished up. So there's gonna be an electrician who's gonna come and hardwire these ones right here. The power cords, they're pushing out a little too far. It'll pop that module off. So these have to be like in a certain place. Like if you don't put in that clip, it can bend out, and then it's sticking off a little too far, and we gotta push this on, it pops the module off.
Just a normal day with Digital Dreams.
I'm pretty sure this band knows every song that's ever been made.
He sings every song, right?
Everything.
Yeah.
Every single song.
I was thinking the same thing.
You're gonna do all the edits on this, right? You're not gonna take everything, right? Make sure you get my good side.
So how's the progress coming?
Actually, it's coming faster than what I expected. But you know, of course, the second time we know what we're doing, so it's going a lot smoother. It's looking really good. Now we're just waiting for the electrician, you know, to come and tie in all these corners. I think they said they're going to be here tomorrow. Tonight we'll probably have all the modules installed on the cabinet. And tomorrow, corners, make it perfectly square.
Do you have a "we're almost done" dance?
No, I'll have to YouTube something tonight for that. Something that doesn't involve the hips too much, because I don't have hips and I have 2 left feet, so that will require a couple margaritas. I don't know, actually. Yeah, we'll have to find out who's the dancer in this group.
Well, Narad danced earlier, apparently.
Yeah, he's got the hips.
He would need like 4 or 5 margaritas and he can get going.
Maybe Ben. We'll see if Ben can dance.